Hey there, welcome back to the channel. My name is Dana Morris. Today, I'm going to be unboxing a new metal detector, and I'm going to be also doing a field test, so yep, let's get in the video. Okay, first up, let's open it. So, there we go. This thing is a lot bigger than it looks. The package looks pretty small, but in real life it's a lot bigger. But we gotta put it together and see how it works. Okay, so first, it comes with an owner's manual and a 9-volt battery. And then second, we get a metal detecting coils. And then, there we go. We get the arm rest that you put your arm on with a little tag on it. And then right here, you get right in the box, you get the part that you go like that with. And you open it a little further and you get the extend the arm thing. We'll get to that in a little bit. And here we go, here's another rod. And then last of all, here's a little box right there, and that has the main head. So let's put it together. So first, what we'll do is take this out. Then we'll get this little bag right here and pull out the manual and the battery. There we go. And then we'll unwrap this right here. So there we go. And here we get that thing right there. And I'll take off this little tag right here. Okay, so now we're gonna put it together. So what we have right here is armrest, and you'll just unscrew this little thing right there. And then you'll get the arm stick and go like this and find the one that has 3 holes and get it just like that, because this thing's gonna be sitting right there and the little screen is gonna be sitting right here. So what we'll do is get this thing and put it on right here. So there's 3 holes on there. I'll just put it on the last one. And you stick this little thing through, pop it on, and screw it on right here. So we have that right there, and then what we'll do next is get the actual control box and stick it on right there. You may want to make sure you have it facing towards yourself like that, so you don't get it backwards, which I have done. And then you'll screw on the screws right here. So there, we got the screws all tightened down, and they look good, and I installed the battery. And then now what we'll do next is get this control arm, get the middle one, and squeeze these little tabs and just push it right on through. And it should just, you gotta find the little tabs and it'll snap in place. Then what we'll do is get this thing and tighten it right there. Then we get the second one and do the same for that. And I'm actually gonna push it down to like the 3rd one, so it's not too short or too long. So there we go, we found that thing, and then we tighten this one down. And then I'm gonna get this thing right here and make sure you get it about that one right there. So we just push that on right there, and then get the screws and nuts and push it through there and screw it on. And one thing I did notice is the screws and bolts are plastic. But I guess if they were metal, the metal detector would be picking them up and that would be really annoying. So I do get why they're plastic. So we got that screwed on, and then we get this little cable and just wrap it around like this. So we got it wrapped around, and we'll just go right here and push it in just like that, and it should be perfect. So now we get that thing and extend it out. And then you can power it on. There we go. So now I'm going to get up closer and do a closer view. Okay, now that I'm up closer, I'll just turn it on right here. Hit that button right there. And it'll beep twice, and then I'll just do some tests. So here is a dime or a quarter. It brought it up as coins. Here's a nickel. It brought it up as a nickel on there. And then here's a dime. Brought it up again, and here is a penny. So I brought it up as a penny, and then I'll go right here, and it brought it up as nails. So there must be nails on the wall. I hope there is. There we go. So I'll go through a few features on here. So you just hit that button, and then you can adjust the volume. And then here's a mode. So that's disc mode, memory mode, jewelry mode, and then AM mode. I'll get to those modes in a little bit. And then right here is the battery. And then right here, I'll show you a little thing. So there you saw right there, that shows how far it is in the ground, 2 to 4 inches. and it goes up to a lot more than that. And then it says depth right there. And then right here is a pinpointer. So when I hit this pinpoint button, it will, I'll just show you real quick. It's kind of noisy, but. So as I get closer, the closer I am to this little thing right there, it gets louder and quieter. So that may help you pinpoint your stuff. Okay, so now what I'll do is just go through the modes. So the first one is AM. I guess that's just all of them. I'm not really sure. The second one is disc. I'm not quite sure what that is. Third one is memory, which I think is really cool. So you wave, say, a nickel in front of it. So it will only pick up nickels. You wave a like a penny, it won't pick up pennies. Or quarters or nails, it doesn't pick up any of them. So that is really nice. So if you're just looking for nickels, there you go. It'll work with other coins too, or whatever you're looking for. Then third of all, there is a jewelry mode. So it will only pick up coins and jewelry, but like nails and stuff, it doesn't pick up nails. So that is really nice. And one last feature I want to test is the headphone jack. So it has a little tiny headphone jack. It's like a 1/8 inch. And I'll just plug one of these in, and it works. It is a little loud, but I'm sure you can adjust the volume. So it does work, but it is a little loud, but I'm sure it's fine. Anyways, you just power it off right there, hit that button, and it turns off. So yep, I'm gonna get you back there. Okay, so I bought this MT6 pinpoint metal detector on Amazon, and I liked it a lot. And then they sent me this little nice edge digger, which I'll show you later in the video when we go do the field test. And then they sent me this thing, and it is looking pretty nice. But anyways, we're gonna go do the field test. Let's go. And I'm back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is go start metal detecting in this field over here at a park. And then after that, we're gonna go to a playground and go metal detect over there and see what we can find. But meanwhile, I have this little pinpoint metal detector right here and the shovel thing right here. And I'm gonna see what we can find. But when I find something, I'm gonna bring you up closer and we'll start digging. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna stick my arm right through here and grab it right here and power it on. And on this mode, for now, I'm just gonna keep it on the AM mode, which means all metal. So I'm just gonna keep it on there. Let's go. Okay, so I haven't been metal detecting for no more than like 10 seconds, and I already found something, and it's around the number 10, so, or 11, so it's picking it up, and I can't quite tell where it is, so I'm gonna put it on pinpoint mode. So I'm on pinpoint mode right now, and it's gonna, so I have a general idea where it is, so I'm guessing it's right around right there, so I'm gonna get you even closer and start metal detecting with my pinpointer. So I think I got the general area, it's right around here, so I'm just gonna turn on this pinpointer and start looking for it. So I'm just gonna go right here, and I feel a buzz right around here. It's like right on the surface, I can kind of tell, and I'm gonna see if I can find it. The ground is nice and hard here, so it's a little hard to dig, but I think I feel it. So here we go. Our first find with the DR.ÖTEK metal detector is some piece of metal, so I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Okay, so from now on, what I'm gonna be doing is not using the mode that is nails and bottle caps. I'm just gonna be using the other features. And so let's keep on metal detecting. Okay, so I found something. I picked up this little piece of metal. I'm not sure what it is, but kind of disappointing. I thought it was gonna be something like a coin or something, but this it is. So let's keep on looking. Okay, so this thing has been ringing up lots of nails and whatnot, so I haven't been digging for them, but they're really low numbers, and this is just a field out of nowhere, so I'm gonna go somewhere more populated and see if I can find anything better. So let's go. Okay, so I found a nice little area, so I'm just gonna start metal detecting right here. Let's go. Okay, so I've been searching for a while and I finally found my first penny. Just a little penny, but I'm gonna keep on searching and see what else we can find. Anyways, I found some junk metal. I also found 2 pennies. One of them is like a European penny. Thought that was pretty cool. Anyways, we might do another location and see you then. Okay, so here I am. I'm at Lake Thunderbird in Oklahoma. There's a nice little beach here. But what I'm going to be doing is getting this metal detector and just scanning the ground, and I might go in the lake a little bit, see what we can find. But yeah, let's get going. Well, I've been metal detecting for a few hours now. I haven't found anything valuable yet, but there's tons of junk metal like pull tabs and whatnot. All I know is this thing will find stuff and it will get the job done, but you just gotta search in the right location. Anyways, thank you DR.ÖTEK for sponsoring this video and sending me this nice little metal detector. I hope you have a good day and see you later. Hey, if you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you didn't, you can hit that dislike button twice. If you really liked it, you can maybe hit subscribe if you want. But anyways, here's my latest video right up there, and you can subscribe right there. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.